Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you what you can do if your iPhone is not responding or you got black death. So only thing you can do that called force restart. So just press volume up button and release, then volume down button and release, and keep pressing power button. So let's see, volume up and release, volume down and release, and keep pressing power button and wait about 15 seconds. Don't do anything with that slide for off. So it's all done. Then wait until your iPhone is restarting. So now it's all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.